Welcome to lesson 5, where we're going to be talking about bisecting a line. So let's say we have drawn a line which is 11 centimeters as shown on screen. The procedure of drawing this line AB is not difficult. We've drawn lines before in earlier lessons. So you get your compass, measure 11 centimeters, which is 110 millimeters, then standard point A, and then you're going to mark a line like this. You stand at B and mark another line like that. Then you join your 2 points. Then you're going to have the line AB. After you have the line AB, what you have to do is stand at any point, A or B, open your compass to at least a distance more than half. Your distance shouldn't look like this. It should be at least more than half, like that. And then you're going to draw an arc like that. Then another one on the other point. And you can see we've got these two arcs meeting at certain points. Let's say this is point 1, and then this is point 2. So at point 1 and 2, we see that the arcs that we drew at A and the arcs that we drew at B are meeting. When we draw a line through the points 1 and 2, like I have done, what you have just done is bisected the line AB. We can even call the point that we have just made on the line AB as point O. So line AB has been bisected. Bisecting lines is a very essential skill that you need to know. Now let's say you've been told to bisect a line which is 8 centimeters or 8 millimeters into 4 parts. How would you do it? Well, simple. Since we know how to bisect a line, we can just first draw the line that is 80 millimeters. So you could first draw a construction line like this. Then on this construction line, we're going to mark our 80 millimeters. So 80 is 8 centimeters, and that's how we get it. Let's say we put our line here, so we mark like that. Let's say this is point X, and then this other one is point Y. Notice for the markings there, I'm just writing them directly. There's no need of following the procedure that we've been always doing when writing, that is printing, because these are just aids for you to understand better. So I have the line XY. Now I need to divide it into 4 equal parts. So since we only know how to bisect a line, that's an easy one. We can just open our compass to more than half like this, strike an arc, then we can join our point, and then we can further bisect this distance XO that we have now. Notice sometimes you don't need to show the full arc. You could do something like this. And you still bisect. We do the same for the distance OY. As you can see, we've divided the line XY into 4 parts. This is the first part, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. I'm pretty sure the bottom of the drawing wasn't showing very clearly, but I know you have the concept as we were doing the line AB. In this simple exercise, what we did was divide the line XY of the length 80 millimeters into 4 parts by bisecting it. A quick thing we will do is just check. We know it's 80, so we expect that this point O is supposed to be at 40. And as you can see, that's actually true. Even this other one we bisected is at 20. Similarly, this other one is also at 20. So we have not performed any mathematics, but we've managed to bisect it, and we have checked our working using mathematics. We know that this line here in the middle should be in between XY, which is half of 80, and then if we divide XO, we should have half of 40. That's all about bisecting lines.